Okay, so I've just checked how long I can stay on the official EU site, and it tells me I can stay 48 more days. Remember, this is only from the 10th of April. So it says I can stay 48 days. If I go to my tracker, so I use track 90, I reckon I've got 50 days available. So this is the EES checkpoint. They should really match up. If this is from 10th of April, which this one is, they should match up, but it doesn't. So I can see exactly what I've put in here, see how many days are left, 50. That all looks good to me. So let's go to the Schengen checker that the EU has. Let's put my dates in and see what they think. So if I go to the official EU Schengen checker, which is here, I put all my dates in, which was a bit of a pain getting the format in there. This is so awful, which is why I created my own. Calculated, it says I can stay 50 days. All right, so one of the EU checkers says 50 days. The other one says 48 days. Right? Keep track of your days. That's all I would say. Keep track.